How to fix Marvel Rivals lag and high FPS. First, what you need to do is open your Steam, or in my case, Epic Games Launcher. Go to the library, and on your Marvel Rivals, click Manage. In your installation, click the Open File location. This folder will then pop up. Click Marvel Game, and then click Marvel. Click on Binaries, Win64, and find Marvel Win64.exe. Go to Properties, and then go to Compatibility tab. Then check on Disable Full Screen Optimization. Click on High DPI Settings. Then this box should be checked along with the application. Then click Apply and OK. After that, go to your game mode settings by going to the Windows search and typing Game Mode Settings. Make sure your game mode is on, and then click on Graphics and add Desktop App. Find your Marvel Rivals folder and follow these steps I'm doing. We're finding the Marvel Win64 shipping.exe and adding it here. Now, try to launch the game again. Hope this helps!